Swati Maliwal has remained silent on the assaults that took place on her and the charges are against the close aide of Delhi Chief Minister. But many are asking, she's been after all the chief of the Delhi Commission for Women, and the DCW hasn't put out any statement. The Delhi's women panel is also silent on their own former chief, who called PCR, the police control room, twice on Monday morning, alleging that she is being abused in words and in person as well inside Delhi Chief Minister's residence. I can tell you, India Today tried to contact the Delhi Commission for Women members, incumbent members right now, and there was absolutely no response. Their numbers are switched off. There's no official comment. Remember, these are supposed to be the voices heading and leading, specifically when their own former chief has said there's been an assault. India Today Shreya Chatterjee tried to contact some of those members. We haven't received a response yet. We have sent them a message as well, and we'll be awaiting a reply to those messages as and when any of those incumbent members would like to respond. Right now, just before she became a Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament, appointed and nominated by the Aam Aadmi Party, she was leading the Delhi Commission for Women as a very active chairperson.
फिलहाल डीसीडब्ल्यू में कोई चेयरपर्सन नहीं है, लेकिन कुछ एक्टिंग मेंबर्स शामिल हैं। इसमें डीसीडब्ल्यू की क्या कार्रवाई हो सकती है, उस मामले में हम कॉल करके डीसीडब्ल्यू के इन सारे मेंबर्स से पूछेंगे कि फिलहाल इनकी तरफ से क्या एक्शन लिया गया है। हेलो, प्रेम प्रकाश जी से बात हो रही है? प्रेम जी, मैं श्रेया बोल रही थी इंडिया टुडे से। डीसीडब्ल्यू की तरफ से अभी ये स्वाति मालीवाल वाले मामले में आप लोगों ने कोई एक्शन इनिशिएट नहीं किया है?
नहीं, मेरे पास कोई लेटर नहीं है, कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं आई। सर,
सुओ मोटो तो आप लोग लेते हो एक्शन जब ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट होता है? जी सर, अभी ऐसे
देखिए मेरा काम एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन और फाइनेंस है
जी।
ये हमारी 3 मेंबर्स हैं, किरण, नेकी, वंदना और फिरदौस जी। ये सब वही काम करती हैं।
तो ये तीनों ही काम करते हैं। तो ऐसे में क्योंकि आपके भी चेयरपर्सन नहीं है, तो कभी भी इन चीजों में सुओ मोटो कॉग्निजेंस लेने की जो पावर है, ये सिर्फ इन 3 मेंबर्स के पास है।
यस
ले सकती है। शुक्रिया, थैंक यू।
आप संपर्क करना चाहते हैं वह अभी स्विच ऑफ है, कृपया कुछ समय पश्चात प्रयास करें। The number you are calling is currently switched off.
हमने एनसीडब्ल्यू के बोर्ड में जो 4 मेंबर्स हैं, उनसे कांटेक्ट एस्टैब्लिश करने की कोशिश की। प्रेम प्रकाश बादल, जो कि मेंबर सेक्रेटरी है, उनका कहना है कि वो एडमिन देखती है, लेकिन जो 3 अन्य महिलाएं हैं जो मेंबर हैं, उनके पास ये अथॉरिटी है कि वो सुओ मोटो कॉग्निजेंस ले। 2 मेंबर्स की फोन स्विच ऑफ थी और जो तीसरी मेंबर है, उनके पास कॉल जाने के बावजूद भी अब तक कोई कांटेक्ट एस्टैब्लिश नहीं हो पाई है। हम लगातार इस खबर पे बने रहेंगे, कोशिश करेंगे डीसीडब्ल्यू से भी पूछने के लिए कि क्या वो रीजन है कि उनकी खुद की पूर्व चेयरपर्सन के साथ जब असॉल्ट का मामला हो जाता है तो उनकी तरफ से कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया जाता। वीडियो जर्नलिस्ट मृदुल के साथ श्रेया चैटर्जी।
So Shreya Chatterjee now joins me live, and you watched that except that she tried different members, tried to get in a reaction, and it's a very valid step to take because Swati Maliwal, one, is the former chief of DCW, and Delhi Commission for Women is likely supposed to be giving out statements and asking for action, initiating action. Shreya, what have you seen in the past 48 hours, the kind of reactions that is apart from political showdown? Swati Maliwal, otherwise vocal, silent. Arvind Kejriwal silent. Most leaders on AAP silent, and now DCW also has gone on silent.
Well, absolutely, Pooja. You know, we've seen a stoic silence from the DCW, who is probably one of the first respondents when such incidents take place in the national capital. Particularly, we also see the political reason there, because obviously the Delhi police does not directly come under the ruling dispensation in the state of Delhi. But in this particular matter, despite Aam Aadmi Party's official confirmation through Sanjay Singh coming in that there was an assault or a misbehavior, quote unquote, that happened with Swati Maliwal, that too inside the CM residence, they suggested they will take action against Bibhav Kumar, but we do not have clarity on the ground that what is the form of action that has been taken against Bibhav Kumar. Has Aam Aadmi Party removed Bibhav from all the positions, any proximity to the CM, all their activities to Aam Aadmi Party? If not, then what is the kind of action that we're expecting against him? B, after a help call was sought by Swati Maliwal because she dialed the PCR. Why has she gone incommunicado for 48 hours? That raises questions, A, about her safety, B, whether there's any kind of pressure on her to not probably give the reasons of what really took place.
Other parties, the Bharatiya Janata Party specifically, the ammunition to charge at not only Swati Maliwal, but to say that she's being silenced deliberately by someone, and who could that be? So it's led to a political showdown as well. Shreya, keep tracking and trying to get voices. Appreciate you for the step that you've taken. But it's been 48 hours. No reaction that has come in from Chief Minister directly, or even the personal aide Bibhav Kumar, who the charges are against. But the Aam Aadmi Party leader Sanjay Singh did organize a press conference, and he did confirm that their Rajya Sabha MP and former Delhi Women's Panel Chief Swati Maliwal did face an assault, and he's also taken names in that case. But he's also added that we have taken cognizance in the matter, action will be taken. All of this is about not one but two PCR calls. These are emergency calls that are made to the Delhi police. There has to be a follow-up process to it. What happened? What is the conclusion? The cops have to write and submit in written. But there has been no formal complaint eventually filed by Swati Maliwal, even though she did go to the Civil Lines police station establishing her identity.
एक बहुत ही निंदनीय घटना घटित हुई, जिसके बारे में आप सबको बताना चाहता हूं। कल सुबह अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के आवास पर स्वाति मालीवाल जी मिलने के लिए पहुंची थी। ड्राइंग रूम में इंतजार कर रही थी। इस बीच विभव कुमार जी वहां पे आते हैं और उन्होंने स्वाति मालीवाल जी के साथ बहुत बदतमीजी की, अभद्रता की। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने पूरी घटना को संज्ञान में लिया है और इस पूरे मामले में सख्त कार्रवाई करने को कहा है।